Would you believe me if I told you I made over $5,000 in just 7 days by posting YouTube shorts without even filming anything myself? With consistency and the right approach, you can achieve the results like this too. Check out this channel. They're posting simple AI generated motivational shorts, and their videos are racking up thousands of views. You don't need a fancy setup or a camera to do this, just the right tools and a smart workflow. Start with the right topic, and if you want to make money fast, you need to target high RPM niches. That's what advertisers pay the most for. Use ChatGPT to come up with content ideas. So just type, give me viral YouTube Shorts topics with high RPM. Here are a few examples it gave me. How to save $1,000 fast in 30 seconds. One passive income idea you've never heard of. This $100 investment strategy is genius. Stop wasting money on these 3 things. Side hustles that pay daily. And once you've picked your topic, let's turn that script into a video using Canva. And here's where AI takes over. On your Canva homepage, click on Videos at the top. Since we're making a short reel, select Mobile Video for a vertical layout. You'll start with a blank screen. Now click the magic button on the left side. Search for Magic Design for Video. Next, choose a few images or clips that fit your topic. Let's say you're doing a video about finance. Pick visuals like money, charts, or people working. And then Canva will then prompt you to enter a short description for your video. A title like Side Hustles That Pay Daily works well. But if you want your video to stand out even more, try making your description a bit more detailed and attention-grabbing. Then click Generate, and in a few seconds, Canva gives you a complete AI-generated video with transitions, titles, subtitles, and even music. You can even customize everything: the timing, fonts, music, even the voiceover. But most of the work already done. And once you're happy with your Canva video, it's time to fine-tune it. And you don't need any advanced editing software, just a phone. I recommend using CapCut. Just import your video, trim it under 60 seconds, and add subtitles, transitions, and maybe some sound effects to make it pop. Alternatively, you can try InShot or VN Video Editor. Both are beginner-friendly and perfect for creating YouTube shorts. Choose what works best for you. Get creative and you're all set. And when your video is ready, upload it to YouTube. Use a clickable title. Include keywords in your description and make sure it's tagged with hashtag shorts. And don't forget the thumbnail. Even shorts benefit from strong visuals. And that's it. That's how I made over $5,000 in 7 days using AI generated YouTube shorts. No camera, no filming, no editing headaches. So if you want to dive deeper with more in-depth tutorials, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you're always in the loop with new videos drop. Good luck with your shorts channel, and I'll see you on the trending page.